On ICICI Bank in particular, those numbers came out on Saturday and once again reflected the strategy of the bank right now, which is to consolidate their balance sheet, not really look at growth at this point in time and keep non-performing assets under control. That's exactly what Chanda Kochhar also highlights, where they have raised provisioning. They've seen their NPAs rise, but in terms of their actual balance sheet, both the retail and the commercial banking balance sheet has contracted. Ragini Verma had a chance to interact with Chanda Kochhar. Let's hear out what she had to say.
Actually, if you look at the retail side, the provisioning levels are more or less in line with what they were the previous quarter. So in that sense, there is no worsening of trend. But on the corporate side, there is an increase, which according to me is a one-time increase, because some of the larger companies had to be restructured, and this is really a one-time impact for some amount of restructuring that we've done. So going forward, actually, this one-time impact should not be there. And in fact, on the retail side, as our unsecured portfolio comes down, the provisioning levels should only come down.
Even as you talk of these restructured loans, can you tell us what is the additional amount of loans that you've restructured in this particular quarter? And your provisioning also is up by 67%. So are you looking at asset quality deteriorating, or perhaps what is your outlook on the asset quality?
On the asset quality, actually, I'm not seeing any significant deterioration. On the housing side, the quality continues to remain very robust, and we are not seeing any increase in the loss levels. On the corporate side, again, there are no NPA surprises as such. Some companies need restructuring, and that's what we have done in this quarter. We may continue to do so in the next quarter as well. And the provisioning really is arisen on account of the restructuring of the companies and not really additions to NPAs. On the unsecured retail side, yes, the provisioning levels have become high for everybody, for the industry as a whole. But for us, we are consciously bringing down that portfolio. So the actual provisioning charges for us should only go down as we go forward.
What is the amount of loans that you restructured for this quarter?
The companies which have got added to the restructuring are to the extent of about 1,500 crores. But at the same time, we've actually had companies, an exposure of about 3,000 crores, which has got upgraded.